In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $300, $600, and $900 over and over again simply by selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself. This is like an all-in-one business in a box. So everything's already created for you. We give you 4 different digital products that you can learn from and then resell and earn 100% profit. We give you a website. We give you an automated sales funnel so you can make money in your sleep. And then there's a community of over 50,000 people for training and support. There's live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners. So everything you need to be successful. You just got to get started and set up your business and plug it to the community. And there's a training that shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So this is for people that are actually serious about making money online and serious about learning skills to become an entrepreneur. So if you're not willing to commit like 1 to 2 hours a day around your schedule to learn these skills and build your own online business, then this is not for you. So if you're new here, my name is Dan and I'm from Michigan and I help people make money online in the digital marketing space. And now I'm just going to show you what this business looks like. I'm going to share my screen and just get right into it. Okay. So I started this business because my company cut my pay in half and I was just sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. Like I want to live a life of freedom. So I started this business so I could learn how to make money online so I can make a lot of money and live a life of freedom and help other people do the same. So I show up every day just to impact lives and build my business as well. So, right. So here's what the business looks like. So this is a done for you system, right? We give you these 4 different pages. This is a sales funnel, right? So you have this capture page. People put their email in. You're building your email list. You're going to learn all about email marketing, attraction marketing, how to build a brand, how to build a business, all of these things you're going to learn and so much more. Okay. Just by building a business, just by building this business itself, like this will prepare you to build any other business in the future. You're going to learn the fundamentals about becoming an entrepreneur while you're building this business, and you can make money while you're learning. See, this is a learning and earning program. You don't have to be perfect to do this. You don't have to be perfect to start, and you can still make money, in your first week because we teach you how to get your first sale in a week, right? So people go here. This is how a sales funnel works, okay, right? So people go here to your link, they put their email in, then they're going through the funnel. Okay. There's a video that's doing the selling for you. There's testimonies on the screen. Okay. These are doing the selling for you. Like Joseph made 5,008 days, $1,300 day, $10,000 for March, $1,800 day, $1,500 for Deborah, $2,000 day. Okay. With this business, because our top selling product sells for 900, right? So like Danelle, she made 10,000 in March, but that's basically all you need is 12 sales. Okay. And we teach you how to post content on social media to attract customers. And there's like 5 billion people a day on social media. So, and just like remember, like this system is already created for you. You don't have to like learn how to create your own website. You don't have to learn how to create your own product. You don't have to learn how to create your own sales funnel because it's ready to go. So here's another video we send out to people's emails, and then it takes them to your sales page, your website, which looks like this, something like this. The cool thing is you can edit these pages, you can change things, and then you can learn how to create your own little funnels like this inside of the system that we use. You don't have to, but you can. So what happens is all you're doing is you get your business set up, and all you're doing is posting content. Like we have a 2 hour workday. So all you're doing is posting content on social media, right? Like talking videos, faceless videos, whatever. Most of us create videos because they're very easy to create, like talking videos, because they're really easy to create. Okay. Like if you want to do a short video, less than a minute, it should only take you like 5 minutes to create and post that video on social media. Okay. So you can do short videos, long videos, whatever kind of content you want to create. We teach you how to do that. And then we also teach you how to use ChatGPT so you never run out of ideas with your content. You can even use like chat scripts and like there's like teleprompters in social media. Like there's different like special effects features where you can just copy and paste a chat script and read from a teleprompter. Like there's different apps and special effects in social media. So you don't even have to like come up with your own thought, like your own script. Like you can have a chat script just and read from it and build your business like that. Okay. So 4 different digital products. These are digital products in the e-learning industry. They teach you everything about digital marketing and how to start a business and scale it to 6 or 7 figures online. Okay. So 100, 300, 600, and 900. So people go to your website and they can purchase one of the products. Okay. And then they go here, they check out, they can purchase, and then you get paid through your payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, Square. Okay, so that's how it works. You're just sending people, you're driving traffic, which traffic is just, it means people. You're sending people to your link. Okay, and every time they go to your link and they go through the sales funnel and they purchase a product, you get paid instantly 100% profit because this is master resale rights. Most businesses, they only earn 10 to 30% profit per sale. We earn 100% profit because we have the master resale rights. Okay. What would making 300 to 900 per day do for you? Okay. Imagine that. Imagine if you learn the skills to attract one $900 a day customer. That's $27,000 a month. That's $328,000 a year. In 3 years, you could be a millionaire. Okay. We got 50,000 people in our community. We teach you how to, we've done $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. Okay. We have a certification training that's going to teach you the do's and the don'ts of digital marketing and how to promote this business. So you become a certified reseller of the program. Okay. And then there's testimonies. I'm just kind of showing you this website and just showing you how the business works. Right. So you're gonna have this website. You just got to put your own picture in. We show you how to set up this whole website. There's videos that show you step by step how to set up this whole system. And you can get this system set up in 1 to 2 days. It took me a few hours to set up. So you can even get it set up in a day if you really want to. Then you just got to put your bio here. Like you can go to ChatGPT and ChatGPT can help you create a bio. Okay, do you want to earn 900 a day plus get 3 income streams? Oh, don't want to earn. Like so let's if you purchase the $900 product, you get all of the products, but if you don't want to start at that level for whatever reason, that's the best level to start at, but if you don't want to start there, you can start at one of the lower levels. So it says don't want to earn 900 a day. You don't want to start at the 900. You don't want 3 free income streams, then you can start at a different program, okay? Because if you start at the 900, then you get the 600, the 300 and the 100. But if you want to start at a lower level, maybe you just want to test it out or whatever, well, then you can start at a lower level. So if you start at the 600, you get 3 income streams, the 300 you get 2 income streams, and the 100 you get 1 income stream. And then it shows you everything that you're going to learn in each program, right? Like this shows you how to make 6 figures in 6 months, how to build recurring income streams, email marketing, list building, affiliate marketing strategies. Okay, this is all the kind of stuff you're going to learn. You're going to learn about like how to find your ideal customer, master storytelling and content, build a strong brand, discover, attract customers, email marketing, all this stuff. Okay, this is the kind of stuff you're going to learn inside of this program. And then we're always like adding more information. Like we teach you how to build multiple streams of income, how to create your own communities, monetize your own communities, how to create your own offers, like so many things you can learn. So this is like you're going to learn the fundamentals of how to be an entrepreneur inside of this program. And then you can resell each of the programs and earn 100% profit as well. Okay. So this is perfect for people who don't have an online business or they just want more income streams, right? So if you don't have an online business and you've never had a business before, this is perfect for you because it's going to teach you all of the fundamentals that you need to learn. Okay. So you can just see me. I'm here. I am hanging out with people inside of the community, right? Here's me. I'm hanging out with the creator of this program. She created this program. Her name is Michelle. I know her personally. I've met her many times. I've hung out with her. I've stayed at her house. She's made like around $7 million in 2.5 years based on everything she's learned from digital marketing. Okay. 2.5 year guys, $7 million. That's how fast everything can change for you. You just got to commit to learning and earning for like 1 to 2 hours a day. That's all. You just got to commit to that. And if you want to do more, do more. Okay. This explains how master resale rights is better than other business models because we earn 100% profit. There's no middleman. You don't have to create any product. There's no inventory. There's no shipping. This is proven. These are proven to sell. Like we did $29 million in sales in 10 months. Like everything's tracked. So this is already proven to sell. This is better than like affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing, you earn tiny commissions and you're promoting other people's products. And if the company changes its rules, then you're out of luck. Drop shipping, low margins, high hassles. You might make 5 to 10 per sale. You're competing with millions of other sellers. Plus, you're dealing with overseas suppliers, slow shipping, refunds, constant ad spend just to break even. Like if you want to start your own online like offline business from scratch, the average small business costs $50,000 plus to start and takes years to become profitable. Most businesses fail within 5 years. With MRR, master resale rights, all you need is 2 sales and your business is in profit. Okay. Network marketing, this is better in my personal opinion because most MLM and network marketing companies, they own your customers, they control your business, and they can change the compensation plan at any time. Okay. And you're not in control of that business. You're in total control of this business. You're in total control of your website, the programs, the products, everything. The only thing you can change everything. The only thing you can't change is the pricing of the products. Okay. So payment plans are available for you or your customers if you want to get started with this business. Then we get all these different bonuses. You get access to our community for free. This is where we have live, oh, what happened there? We have live mentoring inside of our community. Okay. That's a free bonus you get. Access to it, like you get weekly live coaching calls, 50,000 people, 24-hour school access. Okay. And then you get all these other bonuses. We teach you how to create your own communities and monetize them, how to create Canva crash course, my first million in 17 months, 30-day market strategy growth plan, your invisible empire, faceless marketing, and 200 digital product ideas. So when you purchase one of the programs, you get all of these bonuses for free as a bonus. Okay. So like if you wanted to get started with this business, if you want to launch this business, you just purchase one of the programs, you pay $39 for your website, and then you have instant access. Just like I purchased one of the programs too. I started with a $900 program, okay? Because I wanted the best. So just choose whatever program's best for your goals and your dreams. So you purchase a program, you pay your $39, and then you're gonna have instant access to everything, okay? And then let me show you like your products. You're gonna have access to your products in here. I don't know why they logged me out, but whatever. You're gonna have your access to your products here. Okay. So once you get started, whatever email you use to purchase, remember that email because that's where they're gonna send you the link to this. You're gonna have access to everything. This is where your products are. Okay. The certification training, your bonuses, your program. So start at the highest level program that you purchased. And then you just go inside of the program and it's going to show you how to do everything step by step from 0 to 6 or 7 figures. Okay, that's what this whole program teaches you how to do. So click here to get started. You start there. You got to set up your system. You got to set up these pages. So you just go here. Okay, you watch this website setup. You got to go to GoDaddy. You need to get your own domain. You got to get a professional email address, which is super cheap. Okay, this shows you how to set up the whole system. This shows you how to set up like your payment gateways, open up like a Square account, PayPal, business account, Stripe. Okay, and then it shows you just how to connect your system. So you just watch these videos. I think there's like 20 videos. You watch the videos, you copy and paste your information into the system, and then it's going to look something like this. Okay, you're going to have a business in a box. Your business is ready to go because now you set up your system. Then after that, you just go here. It's a launch kit for your online business. This is going to show you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So these are the products, the training, the education, the information. Like you just watch these videos, right? And you implement what you're learning. Okay. You watch the videos, you watch the training, and you implement what you learn into your business. Okay. This is going to show you the 2 hour workday. So the 2 hour workday, basically all you got to do is like post content on social media, go live, and you can copy and paste free ads. So however you want to do that, but you got to create at least 3 pieces of content a day on social media. So if you don't want to create content on social media, I mean, probably maybe like you can build your business however you want, but that's what we teach. Like you can do paid ads, you can do warm outreach, you can do cold outreach, and we teach the free strategies. We teach you how to use social media to attract customers. Okay. And like Michelle, she's made like with this business, she's made around $4 to $5 million with this business just using social media. So social media works, my friends. And you also get free access to our community. Okay. So you get free access to this community. It's inside a school. There's over 54,000 members. You just introduce yourself, you ask questions, you post your wins, right? So we have like watch the pin post. We have a daily training every single day on the pin post, and the pin post will tell you everything else that's going on, whatever's going on in the community, if there's something important to know. So let's go to the wins. Let's see if people are making any money. People make money every day. Sometimes people post wins. Sometimes people don't post wins. I mean, not everyone posts all their like every single time they make money, you know. Everyone's different, but many people do. So she made $93,000, guys, in 1 year, Desiree. $93,000 in 1 year with this business. Okay. And you see everyone's like commenting like congratulations. So Kamala, she made $1,800 this week. Kids on holiday and being super busy with my son's birthday and still managing to make this kind of money online is amazing. Keep showing up and trust the process, guys. Results follow when you show up with authenticity and confidence. Okay. So yeah, you just got to be consistent. You got to be coachable. You got to show up every day. You got to commit to just working 1 to 2 hours around your schedule. learning and earning. Okay. You got to commit to this stuff. If you're not willing to commit, then like, how do you expect to get results? Cindy woke up to $900. So you can make money while you're sleeping, guys, because these pages, like, like these pages are out there working for you 24/7. So anytime someone can go into your website and they purchase from you, right? Okay, she made $48,000 and less earned in less than a year with this business, guys. So you can see people are making money, right? You just got to make a decision. Is this the right program for you? Because I'm sure you're looking for ways to make extra money. Everyone is. Like everyone on the planet's looking for ways to make extra money. So you just have to decide, is this the right program for you? That's all. Okay, getting started. Okay, access your program. So once you get inside of the community, watch this getting started training. Then you have all these recorded trainings that you can watch, Content Vault, 6 figures in 6 months, social media training. Okay. And then the calendar shows you when we have the next live calls, right? And that's it. So you get your business set up, you purchase a program, you pay $39 for your website, you get your business set up, and you just start posting content on social media. Look, I do long videos, I do short videos, you see, talking videos. I do like, I take a picture of myself, I put words on the screen with trending audio videos. This is a B-roll video. It's ridiculous. That's a B-roll video. You see just words on the screen. Okay. So you can see I create a variety of content. Most like the talking videos are the easiest and they're very effective. And then you can also do like on Facebook. Look at this. I mean, anywhere. This is YouTube. Like there's like a little section called posts. So you can also post written content on YouTube, which is kind of cool. I just figured this out recently. So I just created this little picture, you know, and I use ChatGPT to create this picture actually. This is a ChatGPT picture. So we teach you how to use AI. Here's like a, see, this is for, obviously this is like a, like an ad for the business. Okay, that's pretty clear. This is more of a value post, just a motivational quote. Here's like a little like cartoon story that I created, with AI. Okay, talking about the business. So yeah, you can see you just create a variety of content. It's fun. Like if you like to create stuff, then you'll like this business because I personally I enjoy creating stuff. I enjoy creating content. I like it. It's fun. I was creating content before I even did this business. So if you like to create stuff, you'll like this business. So make sure you like the video, share the video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's struggling financially, they're working like 40 plus hours a week and they have a lack of time, they have a lack of money, share this video with them. Share with this video with people who are financially stressed out and they're looking for a way out of that financial stress. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll always be sharing different like tips on business and marketing and making money, mindset, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next video. If you want to get started, just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. If you're ready to get started, just put your email in. There's a link in the bio. Put your email in, check your spam, check your promotions, check your junk folder for the word blueprint. Okay, search for the word blueprint. And then I'm going to send you a free Freedom Formula blueprint that shows you how to make 10K in 30 days. It's created over 100 six-figure income earners inside of our community. So you can check that out, watch the 2 videos, read through the information. If you have questions, just reply to my emails. And yeah, you can unsubscribe at any time. Okay, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless.